Hi friends, I'm Rita Joy from the blog Harbor Breeze Home, and today I have you in here in my bathroom with me, and I'm going to show you what I am doing when I usually wear my hair really short in a pixie cut, and I am unable to get my hair cut right now. So this is something I'm doing to help tide me over until I can get to a haircut. So I have just blown my hair dry like I normally do. I concentrated on the back to make sure that there's lots of nice lift there. And you can do one of two different things. You can take the sides here and I flat iron them so they're flat, and you can leave them hanging out a little bit and do your braid off to the side and let that still hang, or you can do a braid and tuck it behind your ear. So I think that I'm going to do a braid. Now it's actually a twist. This is only going to be with 2 strands, and what I do is I start at the top. Now everybody's hair is a little bit different, and I should mention that before you get started, make sure you have 2 bobby pins for each side of for each braid you're going to do, 1 for each side. So I section it off, and I start with 2 strands, and I just pick up a little hair on the front and then divide it into 2 strands and keep twisting it over the same direction. The front twist is going over the back twist every single time, and I just quickly twist, and I want to do it a little bit loose so that that line doesn't show at the very end. But my hair, your hair is maybe a little different than mine. My hair itself is quite fine, but there's a lot of it. So it's thick and fine. And the last time I got my hair cut, the hairdresser heavily thinned it. So it's, thinned heavily. So I get to the bottom, right behind the back of my ear is where I want to attach the braid. And so it takes 2 bobby pins to lock it in place. I put one kind of straight up and towards the direction of the braid. And then the way to make it stay is to lock it in place by putting it an X over with a separate bobby pin. So it forms an X, and you will feel it lock right into place. You need to lock it in there, or there it goes, or it will fall out. And then I just do the same on the other side. And the other side is a little bit more difficult because it is trimmed quite close over here, so the hair is really short in some spots, but it's still, you don't need a lot of hair to do this little twist. There it is, and then I lock it in place, same way with the bobby pins, one kind of straight up, and then you X over the other one so it locks it in. And this one I hide in the twist itself. Now I just try to fluff up the rest of it, and again, that line is hidden a lot. I like that hidden. And there we go. So it just offers a little bit of shape when, I always say my hair, when it grows too long, starts to look like a mushroom. So there you go. It just gives it a little bit of shape. And as you wait for your dear hairdresser to be able to get in to see our hairdressers. So there we go. There is how to do a quick little twist in a pixie haircut. Have a great day.